Welcome. We'll be processing chapter 16 today. So, here I have the folder of all the source files. And in versus audio, we'll find clips for each chapter. So, here's chapter 16. And you can just open your favorite audio editor tool and yeah, great. And all of these are hosted in Google Drive, so I'll be sharing that link. Okay, so we have our audio. I muted it on accident. Hold on. Chapters. Okay, this is chapter 18. Yeah, okay. So this is chapter 16, and at the beginning, they're probably saying like, this is chapter 16, from the Gita. Okay, let's begin. So we don't really need that. So we begin by cropping that out. Okay, great. So here I have the text representations pulled up to tell me where and when I want to trim.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Abhayam Sattvasam.
So based on that, I know, all right, this is referring to this verse, so it's correct. So I'll go ahead and immediately look for where I can trim it.
Yaga Taparjavam Ahimsa.
Oh, so we see it immediately went into the second verse. So check this out.
Yaga Taparjavam Ahimsa.
And that's fine, that'll happen. We just want to trim right before the verses progress. So let's say I do that. So that seems like a reasonable cut. So then I can rename this 16.1. And this will be what is 16.2 and the rest of the audio. So we'll just keep going and see when do we run into translation, because that's where we can cut the file and save it.
Ahimsa Satyamakrodhaga Tyageshunam Daya Bhuteshu Alolutvam Tejakshama.
So it's going to go into the third verse too for some reason. Usually it doesn't, but that's fine. So we have 16.2, and we'll keep going.
अभिजातस्य भारत.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, fearlessness.
Oh, now it's English, so we have a translation. So we've made the cut here. We've identified this as 16.3. And now we have to essentially chop it up per the meanings. So we're doing a lot of on-the-fly cutting, trimming, etc. So let's see. So the Supreme Lord said, blah, 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 all the way into austerity, integrity, and the next one starts at nonviolence, truthfulness. So we want to look for nonviolence, truthfulness, because we know we can cut right there.
The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, fearlessness, purification of one's existence, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, charity, self-control, performance of sacrifice, study of the Vedas, austerity, simplicity, non-violence.
Yeah, so they just said non-violence, so we'll cut it.
Non-violence.
Yeah, so this is like non-violence.
Non-violence.
Yeah. So we'll cut it here. And we will say that, yeah, this is the meaning for verse 1. No questions asked. Okay, so we have our meaning. So like, how do we go about generating the snippet? So what we can do, we can select all of these and cut them out. So you'll want to drag this over here. So it creates a so it has that like sense of concatenation, because if I left it over here and I try to save it, it would include this empty, just like blank sound. So I can just put it here and I'll do file, save as. So I'll just navigate to my folder versus audio and so here's the chapter 16 folder, and inside it will be two folders, one that says with meaning and without meaning. So this one has the meaning, so we'll save it in with meaning as not a project. We want to do export song to disk, so we can save it as an MP3. So we're in 16 with meaning, and I forgot the format, so we'll look it up. We'll go to 01 meaning, and it looks like it's a 2 digits underscore 2 digits. So no need to use a 0 because it's a double digit chapter, and then we'll use a 0 here. And because it has meaning, we want to add the underscore m. Underscore m dot mp3. Then high quality should be fine. mp3 export. So now if we look here, chapter 16 with the meaning, maybe I didn't save it right. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't name itself, but whatever. So 16 underscore 01 underscore m mp3. There we go, great. And now we'll remove the M, so it's just a verse. And again, export song to disk. This time go back to 16 and without meaning. So to save time, you could just save it all in 16, and then afterwards, when you're done cutting up all the verses, just drag and drop. Yeah, so this would go in without meaning, and tags. These are tags. Put the name up here. Okay, so here we do 16 underscore 01.mp3. No dash M, because there's no meaning, and it goes without meaning because it doesn't have a meaning. Export. Yeah, so I'll go here. Alexa, like here's the project versus audio 16. There's that. There's that. Great. And to view these, as in, where can I see them hosted? You would just go here versus where's the audio, and I would push them out, like push out the slices. Don't put the full chapters, just because it would be a hassle to upload and download. But you can definitely push out the short snippets. So there's with meaning, there's without meaning. So chapter 1 is done. Great. Yeah, so okay, all we have is this tiny piece left. What happened to the rest of the chapter 16? We just undo, undo, undo. And we've already taken care of verse 1. So we can remove these.